Hello everyone. I hope so you have been doing well. Now let us discuss about chemical bond. This is the first major topic which you are going to study majorly in your chemistry. So now what chemical bond is? First of all, we have to look around us. If I am saying I am looking around my environment and everything, I will be able to see that there are very few elements which are present in the atomic form only and are stable in that form. Ratherly, mostly what I have seen or what you might have observed, there are molecules. We are surrounded with molecules. And to form a molecule, there should be some kind of attraction between the atoms so that they could stick together and move united. For example, if I have to say H2O, so in H2O, it does not mean that hydrogen and oxygen are moving separately. No, hydrogen and oxygen have a very strong certain kind of force of attraction due to which they are combined together. And now if I have to say H2O, so that means I am just looking into a picture where hydrogen and oxygen are combined together, they are not separately present over there. This is something which is known as chemical bonding. In this chapter, in the more, if I am going to teach you more, we will be learning about chemical bonding only. So let's say why, I could say ki why the atoms combine together to form a molecule, why they not exist as noble gases only. So this can be explained by Octet rule given by Cauchy Lewis. So what he said is that if I am having any atom and it has a stable 8 electron configuration in its outermost shell, that means majorly similar to noble gases, the atom will be very stable and it will not react with any other any other atom to form any molecule. So in this theory, he approached by this theory only. He